Hello and welcome to Revamped to Riches, the profitable skill of BOHO furniture makeovers. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the tools and techniques to start your own furniture makeover business or enhance your DIY projects. The primary objectives of the course include learning the fundamental principles of furniture makeovers, identify the best places to find affordable furniture, understand how to assess furniture for makeover potential, including evaluating structural integrity and material quality. Master techniques for cleaning, sanding, and priming furniture to ensure a perfect base for any makeover. Learn how to perform basic repairs such as fixing wobbly legs and filling cracks or holes. Explore various painting supplies and methods, including chalk paint, acrylic paint, and spray painting. Discover how to make and use stencils and templates to add intricate designs and patterns. We'll also explore the decoupage techniques to apply papers to your furniture. Understand how to use joint compound molding paste and other materials to create raised designs and textured surfaces. Learn how to apply gold leaf and metallic paints to add luxurious accents to furniture pieces. Understand the importance of sealing and protecting finished pieces with waxes, varnishes, and other top coats. Develop strategies for easily pricing your pieces. Learn how to create compelling listings and use various selling platforms to reach potential buyers. Explore branding and marketing techniques to build your business and attract customers. Review before and after showcases of successful furniture makeovers. Analyze techniques and outcomes to inspire and guide your own projects. I'm Rick Cheadle, a self-taught mixed media artist and instructor. With several published art-related books and over a decade of experience as a full-time creator. In this course, you'll learn to source, makeover, and sell furniture for profit. Sign up today and let's turn your creativity into a thriving business.